Welcome. Today in front of me OnePlus 10 Pro, and I'll show you how to change screen resolution on this device. So first you should go into the settings application and then scroll here to the display and brightness. Now just scroll a little bit more down here and you'll see the screen resolution settings. Now we got the full HD plus. We can change it to the auto select here, and also we can change it here to the QHD plus. Now just click here to OK, and by this way you can see that we just successfully change our screen resolution here. So that's it, that's how it looks. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.